Hello everyone, I'm Chef Leoš and I'm working in Czech Embassy in Tokyo, and today I want to show you our typical Czech soup. It's calling the Colaida. It's a mushroom creamy soup, and what we need is very simple but very tasty. For base we need some mushroom. It's up to you what your choice you do it. Can be like from two options, but also can be like just one. We are using in our country like forest mushrooms, but you can choose anytime, anywhere, what you want, what you prefer. So what next we needed is like vegetable broth, like dill, and some white vinaigrette, cream, sugar, and quail egg with butter. So I think then we, and also the onion. Just the peel and cut the onion for small pieces like this. Put the oil and then the onion, a little bit sauteed. Got the mushroom, like this. Now we put inside. We start a little bit with white vinaigrette. A little bit of sugar. Put inside also the vegetable broth. And let it cook. Then the mushroom is soft, and after we can take egg quail like this one and put to the boiling water for 8 minutes. So now let's just start cutting the dill. We can use it also for the garnish like this one. And put inside. If it's the mushroom soft, we add the cream. A little bit salt. And now remove from the heat and put inside the butter. And also we put inside the egg quail, just wait for the boiling, and we are ready to serve our traditional soups. If it's a time, something about 8 minutes, we put just the egg quails to cold water and peel them. see very nice the mushroom over there. The egg quail. Some enoki also can be like this. And there is a fresh leaf of the dill and also dill oil. So enjoy this meal and the brood. So enjoy your soup.
Thank you very much. Kulaida is a traditional Czech white cream soup which is very famous for South Bohemia, which is south of the Czech Republic, but nowadays it's all over the country cooked. It's a very interesting combination of flavors and aromas. So let's try how our chef made it. It's very delicious. I like how the chef combined the flavors and aromas together, especially the dill is very important taste for this soup. I hope you will try it to make at home and enjoy this mountain and winter season soup, but you can enjoy it anytime, during season.